chocolate is right on the left, and the winery is across the road. It's going to be like a little wine tour or something.
Oh, so you're coming with us?
No.
Oh, we have to go?
Yeah. Now, over there, over on that side, that's the winery. Go a little tour there, or you walk through here.
Oh,
get a chocolate
so I was just going to ask what is here.
Yes. Now, over on that side, that's the cigar factory.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, there we go chocolate first, then we go wine second. Alright, chocolate first. That's candles.
Special people be. Welcome to Franklin Chocolate
Popcorn.
The white chocolate, there's not one, and come right along.
Chocolate shavings.
They have chocolate samples inside on the display, okay? You tried the chocolate samples? Yes, very good. Everyone will be at the bus when you're all done, okay? Chocolate mustard pieces. What's this? White chocolate? White chocolate. What is it?
Chocolate, huh?
Tastes like we use the teapot milk as a baby.
Oh. You like it? It's like ice cream. I'll get one?
Do you want some?
If I take one, that's it.
Excuse me, what is this?
White chocolate drink.
White
so
chocolate?
Used to make these drinks returnable.
Do we have one?
Okay, what size? You have a cutie size and then on vacation.
On vacation because we're going to split it. Okay.
So you guys want it with the whipped cream and the drizzle? Like how it comes to
Whipped cream? You want it with whipped cream?
No, man, anything else? What's up? You know it.
Okay, just pay for it straight ahead. You make it. See, that's what I was saying, man.
Oh, the problem
Okay. Okay.
White chocolate something? Sorry.
Yeah, man. So, I guess you might be wondering what's the taste like. Well, first of all, it tastes excellent. And it's just like, well, it's chocolate, so it's just like a chocolate smoothie. or chocolate slush, depending on where you go. But it tastes excellent. So we stop at one of the herbal shop. So this young lady is explaining to us. I'll let you hear what she has to say.
I'm good, thank you.
Everybody get? Hey husband, you want chocolate?
Chocolate, man? Oh, you spot me, man. I'm way out. Thank you. Come on, that's ready?
They're on vacation.
We'll go for the next. Huh? So the next what the next factory is? Wine factory.
The wine, we're not sure.
Wine factory here, so. Across, okay. Ready? I know yes, sir. Oh.
But don't let it fall on
Other way, I know, sir.
Hey, I have some water.
We can ride to the neighborhood, then we go to the floor.
Oh, so they're driving here. They can finish it. Sorry, oh, we enter the wine factory.
Pardon me?
The wine.
Right over there then.
Okay, thanks. I didn't tell you first. Oh, sorry. Sure.
Tasting.
Yeah, we'll try it. In the back we get a shot cup like we in town. One of those shots cup.
Yeah.
We get one in town. Look at they're doing tasting in this one.
Oh, sorry.
Right.
First one.
So fried.
What's that?
You guys like sweet or dry wine? Red or white wine? Everybody want to try the sweet red strawberry?
Yep.
Sweet red strawberry. I'll try whatever you have. Anybody else want to try whatever I have?
Try one of each.
Would you like to do a flight? So the first sample is free if you'd like to try another sample will be $1. Or you can taste 6 different wines for $5 and the box is 10. We also have a special price. You can get 3 bottles for $25.50. So 1 for 10 and 3 for 20.
Shot. Sorry. Shot on the place. Real wine right there. There you go.
If you don't drink wine, swash it in your mouth and you will taste beauty. Swash, swash. That's good.
You're a very good salesperson too.
Thank you. I mean, you shouldn't be
Yeah, man.
here with no 3 waters, right? Like she's so good.
The curry.
Which one drinking is my favorite.
Want to taste wine?
Eh?
Wine tasting. This tastes good.
Oh, it's red though.
You know, like red wine?
And some burn my stomach.
Yeah, wine, man. This is a good wine.
Well, by that.
Tell me that not good.
It's not actually bad for red.
Oh, let me tell you. But anyway, you can go for one more because I can't, if I pay the next one, I have to get one other. What is one? Just take one.
Huh?
Just take one.
It tastes me a two of these.
Then go on.
The first one free. First, the sample is free. They taste real good.
Yeah, man, feel good. Yeah, man, I said it tastes good. So the bin. Oh, see. Oh, see. Oh.
No, I don't.
No, sorry about that. Alright. Chip. I mean, where am there? No man, I mean on the bus. Where am I? Yeah, up there. This one. Oh, we never take a picture of the umbrella.
There's a lot of sugar too, yeah.
Right, sorry. What's about it, Carly? Colin, you win.
I can't still tonight.
Let me say you win.
With what?
My son tell her.